Google Gemini is a powerful large language model. Even better, Google allows you free access to Google Gemini via the API. All you need to do is get a free Google Gemini API key. Now, there's lots of restrictions as to how much API access you get, and it varies by region, but let's dive in and see how simple it is to get your free Google API key.
Hello, my name is Stephen Thomas, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log in and get your free Gemini API key. You can use this API key to programmatically access some of the large language models that Google offers. So to get started, we simply go to aistudio.google.com. And once you're here on the top right, you simply click Get Started. Now you are going to need a free Google account to get started. I don't go through that process here. I'm assuming that you already have your Google account. Once you're here, you would simply log in. I've logged in with this account before, so I'm going to simply choose an account that's already been logged in. I'm going to enter my password. Now here it's asking me to agree to some terms and conditions to work with AI Studio. I'm going to review these and accept these conditions and say continue. And once I am there, I'm simply logged in right here to where API keys are. When I want to get a new one, I simply hit Create API Key, and I have to give it a key name. So if I'm going to use this for some of my first AI projects that I'm going to create programmatically, I'm going to say just AI work. And then next you have to select a cloud project. This is how you would kind of group your API keys. If you're doing other work in Google Cloud, you could organize it all together. I'm going to simply come in here and say default Gemini project and go ahead and say create key. And give that just a moment. And just like that, you can see that the API key has been created. Very simple. Now to actually get the key, you simply come over here, copy the key value. It's going to put it in your clipboard, and then you could go out and use that key. Thanks for watching this quick video on how to get your free Google Gemini API key. Thank you.